Hello guys, welcome to my channels. Welcome to polynomials by n exercise 3.2. कल को आसान करने के लिए आज मेहनत करना ज़रूरी है. कल अगर राजा के जैसा जीना चाहे तो आज गुलाम के सर का मेहनत करना सीखिए. With this positive quotes, let us start a new exercise. Okay. Zeros of polynomial means if you put let ax plus b is a linear polynomial. What is this? This is a linear polynomial. Okay. Suppose k is any constant, so we have to find p of k. P of k is equals to 0. When this equates to 0 means a of k plus b equals to 0 means what is the value of k? Minus b. What is the value of ak? Minus b. ak equals minus b and k equals minus b by a. When you put the k in linear equation, the value becomes 0. P of k should become 0. This is called zeros of the polynomial. Means the zero of polynomial ax plus b is minus b by a. Means minus b by a is the zero of the polynomial ax plus b. With this we can solve the questions. Okay, let us solve the questions. In this fourth question, y are 1 by 4 and minus 1 are the zeros of the polynomial p of x equals to 4x square minus 3x minus 1. This is exercise 3.2 fourth question. Okay, we have to put what is the given here. Given p of x equals 4x square minus 3x minus 1. Okay, we have to y are 1 by 4 and minus 1 are zeros of polynomial, so we have to find p of 1 by 4. Now only I have explained you zeros of the polynomial. So 4 into 1 by 4 whole square minus 3 into 1 by 4 minus 1. Okay, that is equals to 4 into 1 by 16 minus 3 by 4 minus 1. So ones fours. Okay, 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4 minus 1. Sorry, this is the question I have put wrong question. This is plus 3 by 4. Okay, this becomes 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. What is the value? Becomes 4 by 4 minus 1. Cancel it this 1 times once. So 1 minus 1, this value becomes 0. When you put 1 by 4 in place of x, the value is becoming 0. Okay, similarly we have to find p of minus 1 and we have to put in this equation. What is the equation given? P of x equals to 4x square plus 3x minus 1. This is the equation given. So we have to put 4 into minus 1 whole square plus 3 into minus 1 minus 1. Okay, 4 into minus 1 whole square means 4 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1 becomes minus 3. This is minus 1. So 4 but plus and minus becomes minus 3 minus 1. This values becomes 4 minus 4. This also becomes 0. Means when you put minus 1 in this linear equation, in this quadratic equation, because power is 2, no, this is quadratic equation and this value becomes 0. This is when you put minus 1 in this polynomial, and when you put 1 by 4 in this polynomial, the answer also becoming 0 here. So these are called 1 by 4 and minus 1 are zeros of polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial. Okay, what is the polynomial here? 4x square plus 3x minus 1 is the polynomial. Okay, let us continue the other question. Now third question. Find the zeros of the polynomial. P of x equals to 3x. We have to put P of x equals to 0 to find zeros of the polynomial. So here put 3x equals to 0 means x equals to 0 by 3. This value becomes x equals to 0. This value becomes x equals to 0. We have zeros of the polynomial. 0 is the 0 of polynomial 3x. 0 is the 0 of the polynomial 3x. Then comes to second question. Px equals to x square plus 5x plus 6. Then we have to put p of x equals to 0. We have to equate this to 0 to find the 0 of the polynomial. So x square plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. You have to take such a value such that when you add gets the value 5. When you multiply gets the value 6. 1 and 6 multiplies gets a 6. But when you add 1, 6 plus 1, this value becomes 7. This is not the value. And take the value 2 and 3. When you multiply, this value gets the 6. And when you add 2 plus 3 gets the value 5. Now take the 2 and 3. Then this becomes x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 equals to 0. What is the value becomes? Take the value x in common with these both values, x plus 2, and now take 3 common. 3 becomes x and 2 means 3x 6 plus 6, 3x plus 6. Okay, now take x plus 2 common, x plus 2 into x plus 3. Equate this separately to 0. Equate this value separately to 0. X plus 2 equals to 0 means x equals to minus 2. X plus 3 equals to 0 means x equals to minus 3. Means minus 2 and minus 3 are zeros of polynomial x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, this complete the problem. Okay, next question. Now p of x equals to x plus 2, x plus 3. Equate this to 0 means equating p of x equals to 0 means x plus 2, x plus 3 equals to 0. Then separate it. X plus 2 equals to 0 and x plus 3 equals to 0 means x equals to minus 2 and x equals to minus 3. Here also same, minus 2 and minus 3 are zeros of polynomial x plus 2 into x plus 3. Okay, now comes to the fourth question. Here p of x equals to x power 4 minus 16. Now we have to equate this value as p of x equals to 0. So x power 4 minus 16 equals to 0. This is in the form of a square minus b square, that is equals to a plus b into a minus b. We have to write this in the form of this. So x power 4 equals to 2 power 4. Now you can write equals to 0. X square whole square 2 square whole square equals to 0. Now write x square minus 2 square into this in the form of this. So x square plus 2 square, this equals to 0. Now write this also in the form of a square minus b square. So x plus 2 into x minus 2, and this value becomes x square plus 4 equals to 0. Okay, now equate separately to 0. X plus 2 equals to 0, x equals to minus 2. And here x minus 2 equals to 0, x equals to 2. And here x square plus 4 equal to 0 means x square equals to minus 4. Here what we have, x square equals to minus 4 means x equals to root of minus 1. This value is real number, so it is not a polynomial. You see, it is not a polynomial. No, roots are not the polynomial, so this is not a polynomial. But x equals to 2 and minus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial, so these complete the problems. Okay, so now completes the problem. Next video we will continue with the graphical representation of the polynomials. Okay, thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.